How to accept Slack invitation. So basically just go ahead to your browser, and from your desktop you could just go ahead and visit the slack.com, then log in and then enter your email address and check your email for confirmation code from Slack and enter it, and below accept an invitation click join next to the workspace that you would like to join, right? So if you want to accept the invitation, you could just go ahead right here and click this article and tap Slack connect invitations, and then review the invitation details. If the sender included a message, tap view message to read it, and when you're set, just accept the invitation. So basically, if you want to get more visual, if you want to get it more visually, just go ahead and here it says if you are using iOS or Android, tap your profile picture at the top of your screen, tap invitations to connect, review the invitation, read the message, and then accept, and then choose the workspace that you would like the channel to be part of. All right, and then confirm. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.